the end of a term, you are usually asked by a professor to submit a term paper. Now, what is a term paper? We can define it very briefly as a research-intensive document that you are required to hand in at the end of an academic term or of a semester. So it is a kind of critical evaluation of a topic or, well, a subject which is related to your course and to your specific research area. You should write it in a formal academic style, and you should argument on a point or discuss a concept. For example, well, this is up to the preference of your professor and also to the structure and to the aim of your course. After all, what is it for? Yeah, it kind of prepares you for the moment where you need to write a thesis or a dissertation, which is an extensive research, and you should demonstrate your skills and academic abilities and also your understanding as well as your knowledge at the end of the class. So after all, you also need to showcase your understanding of the literature that you are diving in, the most extent literature, and that you are able to apply theoretical concepts, that you are able to find an original research idea, that you are conducting data analysis on your own, and so on. The term paper, well, the extent of a term paper can range from about 5 to 20 pages. So you already see that it is more extensive as an essay, for example, and it also shares the structure, well, the formal structure with a thesis or a dissertation. So yes, it needs to have an abstract and a title page, followed by an introduction. Then there's a section which is the literature review and the methodology, followed by the results. And there should also be a section which is the discussion and the conclusion. So what is important to know in terms of the feature and how should it be written? Which characteristics should a strong term paper have? So after all, keep an eye on the overall organization so that it is well and logically structured. You also need to research very careful, and you need to provide a clear argumentation, which is supported by evidences. After all, well, there needs to be a coherent and logical structure where the reader can follow from one point to the next, in a very, how can I say, in a consistent and logical flow. This is important, and this is also part of the quality. After all, pay attention on the referencing and proper citation. This is important for any academic writing because it makes your writing transparent and credible, and also ensures that you are able to make use of trustworthy sources and create a writing which is validated and grounded by credible sources. So if you want to know more about term papers and how to write yours, then consult the article in the dictionary from MyThesis Academy, where you can find a very extensive version of the brief explication that I've given here. And also encourage you to have a look at the campus from MyThesis Academy, where you find all the resources and the tools that you need to make your academic work outstanding and to assure that it is strong. Good luck.